Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rocky Babe, and today I'm going to be showing you guys an easy eyeshadow look for beginners. Before we go any further, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to drop a comment before you go, okay? So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video, okay? Alright, so brows are done, and before I go forward, don't do too much. Trust the process, okay? They're not going to be that close together when I'm done. Yeah, okay? Calm down. All right. So for the eyeshadow, I'm going to start out with my flathead brush. This is from BS Small. I got this from Amazon. I have a Linktree link in my description. If you go there, you'll find these exact brushes. And I'm going to be using my Warrior palette by Juvia's Place. And I got this from Ulta. And I'm going to be using my Makeup by Revolution palette, Maxi Reloaded Ultimate Nudes. And I got this from my local Target, aka Target. Yeah, Target, okay? All right. Oh, and also I'm going to be using my concealer from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This one came from Sephora, but Ulta has it too. And it's in the color of 16 Magic. It's called Magic Touch Concealer, color 16. All right, I rub a little bit across here, and I'm gonna go up to the brow because I want that bright under eyebrow effect. So I'm gonna put some of this on my brows too, at the bottom. But you just put some of it on there, and this is my primer. If you got eyeshadow primer, hey, one tip. I got a mirror right here, so I'm definitely gonna be using that. But one tip that I can say when it comes to doing makeup and hair and things like that. You can watch all of the videos you want to and take all of the advice you want to. But I would say take all of that advice, try it out, and put a little spin to it if you have to. Now, if you know how to do word for word what they say and perfect your craft, then by all means. But for me, I watch, like, I'm self-taught. So I watch like a lot of makeup videos and a lot of hair videos. But as I go along, I keep practicing and doing it, I learn new things that helps me to do it the way that I want to. I take the advice that I get from like YouTube, TikTok, whatever it is, I take the advice, but I still incorporate it in a way that works for me. Because what float your boat don't float everybody else's boat. Do you hear me now? Yeah, that part. But yeah. So yeah, I wouldn't necessarily say, oh, mine don't look like hers. And it's not going to all look the same. Everybody's skin tone is different. The chemical balance in your skin is also different. So when you put on a product, it's going to melt into your skin a different way and sometimes a different color. Yeah. So yeah, that's and I can also do a video about things that I've learned as I was teaching myself and trying out different types of foundation and different types of makeup. Because for the girlies, you're going to need to know how certain makeups melt down in your skin. Some of them look like this color in the jar, but when you put on your skin, it oxidizes into like a olive color. Some of them get more yellower and all kind of stuff, you know, so. But for the eyeshadow, I just wanted my brows to be bright up under there, so I'm putting on some of this concealer. Because to clean my brows, I went in with a more natural concealer, a natural color. And that's just for when I'm doing makeup. I'm doing my brows and my lashes, but I don't want foundation on. I just want brows and lashes done. So I go in with a concealer when I'm cleaning up my brows. That's the color of my skin tone. It's easier to clean up. All right, so let me do this, and then I'm going to get you guys into this eyeshadow. Okay, so to tone down the concealer that I put as my base for my eyeshadow, I go in with a foundation brush and I just tap lightly across it. Just to tone it down a little bit and kind of set it into the skin so that I can have a flawless lay of my eyeshadow. Okay. And that brush that I just used, that also comes in a pack with the BS Small. It's a BS Small brush, like the flathead brush. Like I said, the link is in my link tree in the description of my channel. This is another BS Small brush. I love their brushes. When I tell you, baby, okay, I got like 3, it's like 12 brushes coming here. Some of these are extra, but 12 brushes coming here. And I got like 3 of these. And they're cheap too. Psh, please. Okay, so first I like to go in when I'm doing a neutral look, like a soft eye kind of sort of type thing. I like to go in with my Warrior palette from Juvia's Place. And I like to go in with this color called Kano. This is my favorite color. But Kano is like a shade lighter than me, kind of, sort of. Excuse me. It's kind of lighter than me. So I go in with the shade lighter than me. So whatever skin tone you are, find a palette with the shade on there that's lighter than you to apply as your base. So that way we can see it or whatever. So I'm just going to go here, like right above the crease with it. And I just like to put that color there, right above the crease. And sometimes I just like to go in circular motions, back and forth, back and forth. That way I get an even spread of the product. And I just keep doing it until I can see like that light brown color that I'm looking for. All right, now you can see the difference. You see it here? Okay, so we're gonna do the other side. And then also, you can also pat back and forth. Like I said, whatever works for you. So sometimes I do circular motions. Sometimes I just put it on there and just pat it in back and forth. Back and forth. That works as well. And it's like right in the crease. Then next, I'm going to get the Makeup by Revolution. My Makeup Revolution palette, the nude palette. And I'm going to do one of these chocolate colors that's a little bit darker than me. And I'm going to hit that in the crease as well. And I'm going to do this one. I'm going to do that one. And we're going to do that one in the crease as well. All right, you see how that's coming together? Real nice. And you guys, you can also do blush as well. Like if you guys want a pop of color, if you got like a blush palette, you can just get you some blush, put it on the brush and pat it. You just put it on the brush and pat it across your eye like this in a nice light tapping motion and go on about your day. So I'm just gonna put this here and give it my chocolate look. And this is just something easy for beginners. And just so y'all know, this is my Makeup by Revolution palette. And I'm just using this color right here on this side. If you want to freeze frame and go get you one, that's what I'm using. But just for those like with different skin tones for mines, I would suggest finding a palette with a color that's maybe like one shade lighter than you. And then also a color one shade darker than you. That way you can get like a kind of like a natural type look. Or you can do this one. We're gonna call this baby chocolate, okay? You can do this one as well. So we're just gonna tap that in. And usually with this look, I would do a winged eye. But because this is easy and this is for beginners, I'm not gonna do that tonight. I'm just gonna do it like this and put my lashes on just to show you guys, you know, just something simple. And I'm just doing nice, light patting motions. And this brush is fluffy. You're gonna want a small but fluffy brush. Okay, so we got that done. And I'm definitely going to go in because I want to blend the colors. I don't want it to just be laying on top of my eye like this. So I'm going to go in with the color, with another nude. And I'm going to go in with this one right next to it. And this is just going to blend, just trying to blend them in a little bit. Like right above here. And I'm going to add some shimmer to it. So, you know, if you guys want something easy, just something easy to do but still cute, I got you. All right, we're going to add a little smoke to it with a darker color. Just in the corner here. Just in the outer corner. Just start from the outside and go in just a tad bit. Add a little depth to it. And then you could take it just a little bit, just fan the brush right on over there, just a little bit. You see how that adds depth to this look? I'm going to do it the same way. Start from the outer and just over. Just the outer corner of the eye. You don't want to do too much. And once you feel like you got most of the product right here on the outer corner, you could fan this over your crease a little bit just to add a little bit of depth. Okay? And I'm going to tap it again. Make sure I got the right color. And just lightly go over that crease. All right. And then we're just gonna tap right up in here just to blend some of that product out. All right. Okay, so we got our eyeshadow done. And what we're gonna do is add a little bit of shimmer. This one is easy and this is like my favorite shimmer. I got makeup on it. The shimmer that I'm gonna be using is from Sephora. And it's in the color 27 Fool's Gold. It's a nice little shimmer. And it's so simple to use. So simple to use. You just rub your finger on it. Just give it a little swirl. And tap it where you want it. And I usually just tap it right on my lid. Right on my eyelid. And that's just about it. Then we're just going to go back in with the brush that we use for our eyeshadow. And just blend the top. and blend in some of that shimmer with that other eyeshadow. And there you have it, your chocolate brown look. And so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and do my face, and I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like when you're done. All right, so the look is finished, and this is what it looks like and what it comes out to when it all comes together. This is what you get. So this is, like I said, this was an easy, beginner friendly eyeshadow look. I'm gonna call this like a chocolate color, and I really like this, and I think I'm gonna do it again probably this weekend or something if I go somewhere. But yeah, this is the finished look. So it comes out really cute once you finish with the whole look. Oh my god, you're gonna love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope it helped you out. And if there's more that you guys want to see beginner friendly on, or if you want some tips when you're just now starting out your makeup journey and do your own makeup, if you want some tips on what you should get and what to look for, drop it in the comment section. I'm free to do whatever kind of videos you guys want. So thanks for watching.